Hello, my name is Will Isaac and I'm a second year at the Lindner College of Business studying finance. If you're interested in investing, financial decision making, and understanding how money moves through businesses and markets, the finance major could be the perfect fit for you. The Bachelor of Business Administration in Finance focuses on the critical financial decisions faced by individuals, businesses, and organizations. The program integrates concepts from economics, accounting, and quantitative analysis to help you understand how financial systems operate. The curriculum builds a strong foundation in financial theory and real-world application. You'll develop skills in analyzing financial data, evaluating investments, managing risk, and making strategic decisions that impact organizations. The program also allows you to explore areas like investment banking, corporate finance, and financial markets. The program is affiliated with the CFA Institute, helping prepare you for professional certifications and offers pathways like financial planning and advanced analytics to tailor your career goals. If you're analytical, strategic, and interested in shaping financial decisions, the finance major can set you up for a successful and impactful career.